The whole concept of brand design is basically using logos, text, shapes, and color schemes to your advantage. Using specific combinations of these elements is what creates your brand identity. This is how people can become more familiar with who you are. And once people become more familiar with who you are, without a formal introduction, this is what forms your brand awareness. And brand awareness builds trust. And that's what we want here. I have found so much pleasure in creating brand kits, not just for my own personal brand and ventures, but also for others. So the benefits of a brand kit. In addition to building your online presence, right? Much like attending any other networking event, you need a name tag, something that you can use to associate with your online identity so that people can easily recognize you. So if you are leaving a lasting impression with your people and audience and friend groups and colleagues, having proper branding helps others identify you later. What's so fascinating about all of this is that no one set of brand kits are alike. The colors may be the same, the fonts may be the same, the shapes and silhouettes may be the same, but they are fashioned in many different ways to create an unforgettable experience. If this is some type of system, structure, and energy that you would like to be a part of your own production, I would be also very privileged to work with you. Also, once again, tap the link below and let's get this show on the road. You know what I'm saying? Creaky, get the bags. Because I'm trying to make life easier for everybody.